A lot of places this morning were at 0 or even sub-zero, and these were the actual low temperatures. 18 below in Whitefield, 13 below in Berlin. We got to 0 in Laconia and in Concord. This is how it looks right now in Center Harbor. It looks like maybe a few people doing some ice fishing out there on Lake Winnipesaukee, and why not? Cold enough for that for sure. Right now in Manchester, you can see the flags moving around a bit, and that is making it feel colder with that wind out of the west at 12 miles per hour. But a lot of sun, a few clouds just kind of drifting past. And that's going to be the case into the afternoon here. The wind's still with us, so that shaves off a few degrees from these numbers here, about 22 in Concord and in Keene, but with the winds factored in, feels more like the teens in a lot of spots. It is in the teens in Whitefield at only 12, 19 in Laconia, 20s for much of southern half of the state, but it's the winds that make it feel a bit more uncomfortable. It kind of blows through you and you lose some of your body heat when you have the winds like this. Gusts up over 20 miles per hour, Concord, Laconia, out toward Lebanon and in Jaffrey. So here the resulting feels like temperatures. A lot of places single digits or even at 0 in Berlin now. Whitefield feels like 3. As we go into the evening hours tonight after dark, the wind chills likely again dip double digits below 0 to the north, single digits, and perhaps even below 0 by early tomorrow morning in a lot of spots, with the bitter wind chills factored in here. And only single digit feels like temperatures through much of Saturday too. So we're on repeat here the next couple of days with a relatively quiet weather pattern, which is great if you're doing any outdoor winter recreation and traveling. All things a go into the weekend here on that front. What's happening is colder air is coming down out of Canada, courtesy of a west-northwesterly wind. And as that blows across these warmer lake waters, you get the lake effect snow machine to be going on, and that's been going on for the past few days here. And some of those lake effect snow showers actually can sometimes survive the trip over the Catskills and the Adirondacks and the Green Mountains and make it to us in the form of some light flurries. So you might see a couple of those later this evening. And then tomorrow we see a mix of sun and clouds, and again a stray flurry is possible. Then there's a slightly more substantial storm system that passes to the south of us early Sunday morning. There may be a few communities in far southern New Hampshire that get a very light dusting of snow by early on Sunday. Otherwise, we're just kind of stuck with the clouds from that system moving through. Tonight, the low temperatures not as brutally cold as this morning, but still single digits and teens. That'll be all we can do. And with the winds again factored in, it will feel a bit colder. And pretty much right where we are today is where we'll be tomorrow again, with teens and 20s and a chilly breeze. If you're planning to do some skiing, snowmobiling this weekend, it'll be breezy, a few flurries possible, only in the teens on both Saturday and Sunday in the White Mountains. So be prepared for a bit of a colder feel when you're up doing those winter recreation activities. And then looking into next week, a lot of people back to work and back to school on Monday, and it's bitter cold, teens for highs. And then the next chance of some mixed showers come in on Wednesday, and that's when the temperatures start to take a turn, more mild then above freezing. We'll be right back.